Leo, help me! Mia, open your eyes! This is not a game! Welcome to Talk Mona!
Okay, everyone, hurry up and eat your breakfast. We're already running late.
Relax. We still have about 10 minutes. No need to panic.
Leo, can you help your sister? Give her the orange juice, please.
Here you go, Mia. Thanks, Leo.
Make sure she finishes her eggs. She needs energy for school.
I will, Mom. Don't worry.
Hey, Leo, look. My egg looks like a smiley face. You're right. It really does. But now you have to eat it quickly, like a superhero. Okay. Superhero Mia is ready. Good girl, Mia.
Mom, look at my drawing. I finished it last night.
That's nice, Leo. Just make sure you put it safely in your bag. I'm sorry, Leo. I'm just a bit busy this morning.
It's okay, Mom.
Jack, did you see Mia's school bag?
It's by the door, Lily.
Good, thank you. When you come home today, I need you to clean Mia's bedroom.
But, Mom, do I have to clean Mia's room too?
Mia needs to rest after school.
Be a big helper today. Clean both rooms.
But I have a lot of homework. And I wanted to read my new book.
You can read later. Mia's comfort is very important.
Okay, Mom, I'll clean it.
Good boy, Leo.
Thank you, Leo. You are the best brother, Leo. Thanks, Mia.
Leo, are you finished with your book?
Almost, Mom. Just 2 more pages.
Good. When you're done, help Mia. Mia, honey, you have too many blocks on the floor.
But, Mom, I'm building a big house. Look.
It's very nice, but you can finish it later. Right now, it's time to tidy up.
Mom, can I go to the park? My friends are there.
No, Leo, not today.
But I finished all my homework.
I know, but Mia needs you.
Okay, I understand.
Hey, Leo. Why do you look so sad?
It's nothing, Dad. I'm just gonna clean the room now.
You're a great big brother.
Jack, can you help me?
Of course. Stay with Mia, okay?
Leo, look. My doll is inside the house.
That's nice, but we need to clean up.
Can we play a game first? No, Mia. Mom said you need to rest.
But I'm not tired. Mom, can I go play football?
I'm sorry, Leo. Not today.
But I cleaned everything, both rooms.
You've been very helpful.
Then why can't I go?
You need to stay with Mia.
But it's always about Mia. I want to have fun too, like everyone else.
Your sister is more important.
Why?
Why is she always more important? You never watch my games anymore. That's not true, Leo. I'm just very busy.
No, you're only taking care of Mia.
Leo?
You only love Mia.
That is a terrible thing to say. I love you both the same. It doesn't feel like that.
I'm going to my room. Leo, come back here. Leo, are you still sad? I'm okay, Mia. Go back. I have a candy. Do you want it? No, you can eat it. We can play together. The room is moving.
No, it's not.
Everything looks strange. I feel very cold.
Mia, are you sick?
Leo, help me! Mia, open your eyes. This is not a game. You're very cold. Please wake up. Where is the phone? Mom, please pick up.
Please leave a message.
Mia is on the floor. Please come home. Dad, please answer. Mia is sick. I'm scared. Please help us.
Okay, Leo, be brave. Call the emergency number. This is the emergency center. What is your problem?
My name is Leo. My sister is on the floor. She's not moving.
You're doing great. Stay calm. What's your address?
Number 10, Blue Street. Please hurry.
Help is on the way.
Mia, can you hear me? I'm here. The doctors are coming.
Mia!
Leo, where is your sister?
They're taking her.
You saved her life. You called them by yourself?
I was scared. You didn't answer.
I'm so sorry.
Will Mia be okay?
She's in good hands.
Mia is okay. She's sleeping. Mia has a weak heart. Like a broken toy? That's why you care more? I love you both. I just forgot to show it.
You saved her life.
We are so proud of you.
Look! Smiley balloon! It does!
I must listen to the strong child too.
Everyone is important.
I'm happy to help you. You are my hero.
Let's go home together.